quickly recap what all we have learned so far. Okay, first thing first, we have learned how to write single line comment. Okay, that is the way you can write. Then we learned how to write multiple line comment, right? This is the way you can write what? Multiple line comment. Yes or no? This is the way you can write multiple and then line and then comment. Yes or no? Then what you learned how to use the print command. Print command you learned that okay.
Capital P.
Ah, that's wrong. It should be small p. Very good. I learned that print, I can print 5. It is number, so no need of double quotes. But if I want to print as a string, what I have to do? I have to pass as a string. For example, Maulik. Correct? Yes or no? Okay, like this. Now, after print command, what we have learned? We also learned that now, for example, what I can also do, I can pass multiple parameter in the print command by comma separated. Yes or no? We learned that also, right? Then you learned how we can get the input from the user. You can use the input function, right?
And also the variables.
Yeah, you can use the input function. Okay.
And also variables.
Yes. And what you have to do, see, by default, you can, whenever you will take the input, it will be coming as a string. In order to convert that, what we have to do, we have to use the int function. How to use the int function? Int parenthesis open and then close the parenthesis. Where can I close the parenthesis? After the input function. What is happening here? See, within one function, I am calling another function. Do you understand? Within the int function, I am calling another function. What the function name is? Input function. Yes or no? So what it will do? It will take the input and then put it in the age variable.
Yes.
Understood or not?
Yes.
We also learned is this, there is another way you can do this. What you can do? You can write title here also. For example, enter your name. What you can do? You can say enter your name. Yes or no? So no need to create a separate variable. You can put here itself. Okay. And what all the input will come, that will be stored in the name. Yes or no? Okay. After this, we also learned about the concept about we can use the float variable, poly float function. Yes or no?
Yes.
And we can also use the bool function to convert the string into boolean form. Okay. This is what all we have learned till so far. Okay. Our today agenda is we would like to learn about looping. So let me quickly introduce what why we need looping and what is the purpose of the looping. Okay. Very good. Okay, what I will do, I will use multiple line comment. Always, whenever you start coding in Maulik, no, you have to write what you are doing here. Okay. So in today's program, what we are doing, we're gonna learn about looping. Today we will learn about looping. Learn about looping. Okay. What kind of loop we will learn? We will do there is something called for loop and there is something called while loop. We will try to learn these two loops today. Okay. What is today's date? Today's date is 19th of March and 2026. Okay. Always, whenever you write some code, you have to write like, okay, what you are doing. Okay. 2026. Yes. Cool. All right. Done. Okay. This is multiple line comment. If I will run it, nothing will come. Why? Because it's a multiple line comment and nothing happened. That's why we didn't get any output. Okay. Now, for example, let's say you want to print I love UAE. For example, I want to print what? I love UAE. Okay. How can I do this? I will use the print function. Within the print function, I will say I love UAE. UAE is our country. We'll say I love UAE. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I will run what will happen. I get I love UAE. Yes or no? Yeah. Now I want to say no. I love UAE more. I want to say one more time. What I can do? I can say copy paste this and then print again. I love UAE. What will happen? Will come two times. I will say no, no. I love UAE very, very much. I will say no. I want to print one more time. I love UAE. Okay. Like this, I can type multiple time and then the multiple time the output will come. Multiple time the output will come. Okay. But here is the problem now. See, now if someone say, okay, I want 6 times, no problem. I can copy paste here 336. Okay, no problem. Someone is saying I need 12 times. I can copy 6 and again paste 6 times. That will become 12 times. Sir, I'll get 12 times. It's possible to print 12 times I love UAE by doing manually. But for example, if I want to print 1,000 times I love UAE, can I do this? I can do this. To be very frank, I will copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. It will print 1,000 times I love UAE. But this is not an efficient way to print I love UAE. Okay. In order to solve this problem, they have introduced a concept called looping. What does the looping does? Try to understand what the looping does. Okay, I will take our whiteboard help. In the whiteboard help, I will teach you how we can use the looping. So as the name indicates, looping, Maulik, looping means loop, like loop, something which will go circle, 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 right? Okay, it's taking some time to load. Why is that taking time? I don't know. Okay, maybe some other board will use online whiteboard. Yeah, same site. I don't. It's working now. Yeah, it's working now. Yeah, cool. Okay. What I was saying is this looping, as the name indicate, loop matlab infinite loop. Like you can keep loop, right? Like loop, right? You understand, right? Loop. Okay. Okay. Now question comes how to use loop. Question comes is this how to loop use. Okay. So the code for loop is very simple. You have to write like this. What you have to do, you have to write like this. Okay. For example, what I am writing like this. See, try to understand what we are doing. Okay, I will comment this. Okay, see how many times you want to print. Let's say I want to print 5 times. Okay, I will say 5 times means what? 1, 2, 5. Okay, I got it. Mother, I'll teach you. Okay. So I want to print from 1 to 5 times. Like I want to print 1, I want to print 2, I want to print 1 time, I want to print 2 times, I want to print 3 times, I want to print 4 times, and I want to print 5 times. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the 5 times I want to print. These are the 5 times I want to print I love UAE. Okay. How to do this? Very simple. But all you have to do, first thing first, you will write for. First thing first, what you will write for.
Yes.
Okay. Then what you will do, you will create one variable.
I.
You will create a variable called I. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then what you have to say? You have to say in.
Okay.
Then you have to say range.
Okay.
In range. Then you have to open the current parenthesis, that is round bracket, open a round bracket, close. Okay. Then you will say, I want to start from 1. I want to start from 1. And 1 to 5. How many times I want to go? 5 times.
Yeah.
What you have to do, the number of time you want to print, you have to put one number more than that.
Yes.
What you have to do, you have to put one number more than that. Okay. So it will be like I want 5 times, that's why I wrote 6. Okay. And now what I will do, here I will cut it and I will put I love UAE. Let's see what is the output coming. What? For I in range 1,6. We missed the colon, that's why. Okay, understood. This colon is needed, no? This colon is also needed. See, the colon is needed, right? That's why it was saying. See, Python is very smart. It is telling you what kind of error it is. It is saying I'm expecting double colon, like colon. If you see the error is clearly saying that, hey bro, I want the colon. That's what we have to supposed to pass the colon. Okay. What is that? AI debug. Okay, no problem. We can do that later. No problem. And an intended. Okay. Ah. See what it is saying? Expected an indented block after the for statement. What it is saying is this: in the for loop, you cannot print like this. What you have to do, you have to press one tab. Okay. Now try to run. You got the outputs. Understood? See, if you will not pass this tab and if you will try to run, you are getting the error that what I am expecting an intention, right? आपको यहाँ पे we have to leave one space here, right? You have to leave one tab here or we need to space one over here. Let's see whether the space is working. Yes, space is working also. And how many times I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Why 5 times I got? Because I said 1 to 6. If I will only say 1 to 2, how many times I will get?
One.
Only one time. If I will say 1 to 5, 8, how many times I will get? 7 times. Okay.
What if you do 1 to 1?
1 to 1, very good question. Let's see how much we are getting. We are not getting anything. Why? Because 1 to 1 is 0. Okay. 1 minus 1 is 0. So that's why I didn't do any times. Understood? I hope you understood the concept of looping. The concept of looping is very easy. But all you have to do, Maulik, is very simple. Okay, you have to just write a for loop, and in that for loop, what it will do, it will loop, 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 till the time it reaches the numbers, till the time it reaches the number. Okay, understood? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Okay, nobody is joining us online. It's okay. One day somebody will join us. Okay. Okay. Now, Maulik, what I want to do at the same time, what I want to do, I want to see the value of I. What is the value of I? Okay. So how can I do this? I will say I equal to, and I will say comma, and then I want to print I, right?
Yes.
So that way I will understand what is the range we are getting. So I want to print times 5 times. So it will say I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, and I equal to 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
So have you understood the concept of looping in this one?
Yeah.
Okay. What I can also do, I can combine these two in one line. I can pass one more comma here, and I can pass this I love UAE. No need to print twice. It will print in the same line. It will say I equal to 1 I love UAE. I equal to 2 I love
It's
UAE.
better if you put a comma
Where do you want to comma?
before the
Before the one? Okay, no problem. I can put a comma here, then it will come here. Okay.
like that.
That's what you want?
Yeah.
I love UAE. I like this, right?
Now it looks better.
Is better?
Yeah.
Cool. What you can also do after every line, if you want to make it much better, you can print something called separator, right? If you will put the separator, what will happen? It will come like, okay, 1 equal to, like, after every line, there will be a coming like I equal to 1, like this.
Yeah.
Understood? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the way the looping concept works in Python. It's very easy for. Let's repeat ourselves how to do this. Very easy. The easiness is very here. For,
Yeah.
speak with me. For
For
I
I in
in
range.
range, open the parenthesis and close the parenthesis.
Yes.
Okay. In our earlier days in our programming, we used to use a curly braces. What we used to do, we used to use curly braces in C#.net. Let me see if I will use the curly braces here just to distinguish that, okay, this is for loop from here to here. Will it work or not? See, indentation expected, it's okay. Okay, so here this braces is not working. This like opening bracket is not working. Okay, so this is not the way Python works. The Python works like you
Leave
have to,
space.
yeah, you have to leave one space or you have to leave one intent. Okay, and then the for loop will work like this. Okay, all right. Let me ask ChatGPT. Can I use this one in this? Let me ask this. What my question is this? Can I use this in Python? It will give me the answer yes or no. That way, we will be 100% sure whether no. You cannot use the code blocks in like C, Java, or JavaScript. Why not in Python? Python uses indentation space instead of to define the blocks. Understood? याद रहेगा.
Yes.
In our other programming language like C, C++, now we used to do like opening and closing that. Okay, the block just to distinguish the code. Python will not use this. Okay.
Okay.
Any question?
No.
Okay. Now tell me what you want to do.
Uh, anything
Okay. Let's say I love India also. What I will do
for my
for what I have to do? Tell me
make a variable called mine.
what in the name of
My
my. Okay. My. Okay.
I in range.
In
Range
range. Okay. Very good. How much time you want to print?
1 to 11.
1 to 11. That's very good. And then what you have to do, you have to use the colon.
Yes, and
Yes,
then
yes. Go down. See, the moment, see how smart the ID. If you press enter, by default, it took it over here. See, you saw that, right? If I am here and then I am putting enter, see, it directly goes there. That
yes,
indentation is there, right?
yes.
Okay, now what I want to do, tell me.
Print I my India.
What you have to do, I will copy paste the same code so that we don't waste time. I will say now I will work. No, here what variable you are using? My, right?
Yes,
What I will say, my equal to, here I will say my, I love my India. I love my India. Okay, then I will say run. What it will do? See what is it doing? It's taking time. See, it printed I love my India also 10 times. Yes or no?
okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Understood?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Now, let's go further. Okay. So this is the concept of for loop. This is the concept of for loop. This is the way for loop works. Okay. There is one more loop in the there is one more loop in Python. They call it like while loop. What they call while loop. While loop works like this. I will take example of this and I will show you. Okay. All right. Let me clear this. बोलो क्या हो? 5 minutes. Okay. So now the way Python in while loop works is very simple, Maulik. See, as you know, while is like English condition, right? While matlab okay, I will do something while I will get this, right? So what happens, right? You have to write while, and then you have to write one condition. While after that, what you have to do? You have to write some condition. Okay. If that condition is true, the code block will work. If the condition is true, the code block will work. If not, then it will not work. What I mean, I will teach you. See, I will teach you. For example, I want to comment all this. What I will do, I will use the triple quotes like this, tuck, 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 3 times, and then here I will close this. Okay. So now it's like a multi-line comment. It's like what? Multi-line comment. Okay. Okay. Now let's take the example. What it is doing. What it is saying I equal to 1. That means what happening? I am creating a variable I equal to 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Then I am defining a condition while, and then I am saying what? I is less than or equal to 5. What I am saying? I is less than equal to 5. Matlab I,
Aru.
yeah,
Aru.
yeah, less than equal to 5. Okay. And then colon. This is called colon. This is called what? Colon. Okay. Then what I am saying? Then I am saying what? If this is the case, then print hello. Then what I'm saying? If this is the case, then you have to print what? Hello. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Now what I will do? Let me try to run here. Let me try to run here. What is happening now? In our code, what is the value I now?
I1.
Yes. So I is less than 5. Yes or no?
Yes. We need to remove that one. I equal to.
Something is wrong. Sabar. See, the code is never gonna stop. Do you understand?
Really?
See, code is going. You have to stop it, right?
Yeah.
Stop it. See, how many time it printed hello? How many time it printed hello? See,
Goodness.
okay, you don't know how many time it printed, right?
Oh my.
You don't know how many time it printed. So what I can do, I can print. What I can do, I can also print the value of I. What I can see, what is the value of I? I will say I equal to comma I and then hello. Yes or no? Let's see what's happening. One. Well, let's keep doing. See, I'm going down. Come, keep coming. You know why this is happening?
Why?
Why this is happening? Because see, what you wrote while condition. There's a condition.
Yes.
What is the condition now here? I is less than equal to 5. What is the value of I now?
One.
1. 1 is less than equal to 5?
Yes.
Yes. So the first time the code came, 1 is less than 5, yes, it will come here, it will print hello. Then as I told you, we are doing looping, right? What we are doing? We are doing looping. The loop will go again back here. What is the value of I now?
One.
1. 1 is less than 5.
Yes.
Again, it will print hello. Come back. 1 is less than 5.
Yes.
Again. Understood, right? This is called infinite loop. What is this called?
Infinite.
Infinite loop.
Infinite.
Infinite. Because if you will not stop this, see, it will keep printing hello. It will never stop. Why? Because 1 is never less than 5. 1 is never less than equal to 5. Sir? So this kind of loop is called what? Infinite loop. Your code will go in infinite loop and nothing will happen. Okay. What can I do here? What can I do here is this. Every time I print I, every time I print I, what I can do, I can increase the value of I with 1. I can say what? I is nothing but what? I is equal to I plus 1. So what will happen now? First time I will, okay, let me run the code and see what is the output coming. See, I equal to 1 and hello. So first time the value of I was what? 1. It came here, 1 is less than 5. Yes. It printed what? I equal to I and then hello. Make sense? Then once I will print hello and I come down, I will write what? I equal to I plus 1. So now what is the value of I? I become 1 plus 1, 2. Now I is 2. I will do a looping and go back up. 2 is less than 5? Yes. Come back, print 3. 3 less than 5? Yes. Come back, 4. 4 less than 5? Yes. Print, come. 5. 5 less than 5 equal to 5? Yes. 6. Now 6 is less than equal to 5? No. That means the code will come out of the for loop. The code will come out what? Out of for loop. What it will show? Out of while loop. Out of while loop. Understood? Yes or no? Maulik, are you understanding or not? See, after printing 5 times, it came and it printed what? Out of while loop. So while
Out of loop.
out of loop is very good. Yeah, out of loop. Understood, right? So the while condition is very simple. While I is less than equal to 5, that means I want to print 5 times. Okay. I started from 1 and I say less than equal to 5. That means condition. It can be anything. Condition can be anything. आई बात समझ में फॉर एग्जाम्पल see this is the control we have now. With this control we need to build the logic whenever I want to do something infinite based on condition, based on some condition. Okay, I will keep repeating, I will keep repeating. Think about anything, think about anything.
Bob.
Huh?
Bob.
What is Bob?
Like you write Bob.
It's okay, I can print Bob. Other than hello, it can print Bob also, no problem. It can print Bob also 10 times, no problem. It will print 5 times Bob, no problem. Bob, 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 nothing out of this. Okay. Okay. Shall we continue, or you want to take a break?
Like,
Okay, khalas, we'll take a break. Thank you, Maulik. I hope you learned the concept of for and while loop.
yep.
All right. Thank you. हाँ जी जाओ कर लो अपना.
Bye, guys.
Nobody is there whom you are telling bye.